Hey guys, this is Kryptonite here. Hope you guys are doing well. Making this quick video to explain a little bit in more detail what I shared on Discord. So this is a channel I created. So it's been following pretty accurately. Important thing is we haven't had a daily close below this line. You know over here. We've had couple of 4-hour candles below this, okay? But on this move down, we did not have that as well. However, last move, the move last night, we did have like 2-3 candles below, and the price is still below the upper orange line. Okay, so this is something which we need to be a little bit careful about when it's if you're in long, like me, I'm in spot long, bought from 19.5 all the way down to 19.2-ish area, bought BTC, okay, and so we don't need the price to go below this line. A daily close, especially a daily close below this line, okay, would mean that we can short it then. We can short it down, and I'll share the targets later on. However, on the upside, we need this to first of all break this orange line and then turn this into support, break this blue line, and then start moving up. Okay, so on 1 hour, if I show you, this is what I was explaining earlier. Last night when people were like, okay, I feel a little bit of FOMO because people are buying, and it bounced from 19.5 and it went all the way to 20K. So this is what I was saying. Okay, once you have such a bounce, like for example, we had a full divergence. Okay, this was a full divergence. RSI making higher lows, price made a lower low. After that, when there is one first bounce, even if you don't buy it, that's absolutely fine, because once it moves up, the RSI, if it starts making a higher high, which it already started making a higher high. I pointed this out that because of this, I'm going to wait. I was about to buy at that point, but then we saw DXY a little bit pushing above the resistance. So I was like, okay, let's hold up. DXY rejected at that point, which was good. But I was like, okay, anyway, no point running into the pumping trade. It's not even a pump, actually just a bounce, but still wait for a pullback, because after that pullback, either it makes a higher low on the price or it makes a new low. If it's the hidden bearish divergence, means there is a continuation. Because it's hidden bearish, that means the price will move down. If it is hidden bullish divergence, that will mean the continuation will be to the upside. Okay, so we had to move back down. If it was like a higher low, it would have been more bullish, because then it's like RSI making a higher low and your price is making higher low, then it's all normal, and then it starts moving up. Okay, but we had a sell-off, like a two big hourly candles, and then it went right into this support, and we got another back-to-back bull divergence. Okay, so usually anyway, bear divergence or bull divergence on hourly especially does not play out on BTC, especially in one go. It has to make like multiple divergences for it to play out. So this is the play. If this flips, that would be great. We don't have any I wouldn't call this as a hidden bearish divergence. Okay, this one, because the price is slightly up anyway. There is no hidden bearish divergence formed as of now. All right, if I go on 15-minute as well, if you see, it did not make any hidden bearish divergence. Okay, this is the pivot. It's still lower. So this is when something like this starts happening, I know there is going to be an attempt to the move on the upside. Reason being, it literally just could have gone higher. Okay, and then that would have led to, and this pivot leads, is this price moving a little bit higher would have meant that hidden bearish divergence on 15-minute, and it has to dump, or at least a pullback. Okay, but this was avoided, so that that does not trigger, the hidden bearish divergence does not trigger. So it moved down. It could again move up later on, okay, to make pullback. But there I can see there is some kind of it's avoiding it. So if this flips to support, okay, I think then alt's going to run. So I am particularly like, I would be interested in looking at what, probably Unfi, DYDX, Uni, but I'll consider Uni later. I think it was SRM was being pushed up. Rest I will share, but I think these XMR was another one. You know, Still interested in Matic. I still hold a position in Matic. What else? XMR. So I'm not saying I'm going to buy all these. I'm interested in these because I can see Unfi it pumps a lot. It was right at reaching the support, trend line support. I'll show you in the Discord channel, right? DYDX has been a little leader. It starts pumping nicely. I think it had like a good candle as well. SRM, same stuff. Matic has been strong. I'm interested in XMR also. I want to play XMR as well. So XMR I hold, Matic I hold. Rest of the three I have to look into. Okay. So yeah, let's catch up on Discord. Have a good one. Bye.